We will be discussing the future or advanced areas in the IP domain. So let's begin. The future journey in IP domain. Please meet John Doom. Today he will be with us. After going through the last module titled What is IPR, you might have appreciated various types of IP and related laws. Probably you might have perceived vast nature of IP field. Going further in this module, we will see the future upcoming areas and the complexity related to it. The question in your mind will be why we should know about future areas of IP when we are now still understanding the basic of IPR. There are two main reasons. The first reason behind introducing this topic and overview of the future areas in IP is that as a country we are still struggling with IP awareness, and the world is embracing future technologies with very fast pace, which will be predominantly IP protected. Understanding this future growth and upcoming developments in the IP domain may help you to think differently about the current technology field in which you are working. You can explore your current technology field about which you are passionate. You can explore your area of interest very differently and efficiently using various IP tools provided or made available due to advances in IP field. The second reason to introduce this module is as technology is growing, complexity of law, especially IP law, is increasing. With the upcoming developments in areas like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and their applications in various sectors, this complexity of IP law is becoming challenging. So it is becoming important now, rather indispensable, to understand IP law, which will give you competitive advantage. To explain it with an technology domain, we will take an example. Suppose you are working in the area of artificial intelligence. Now, you will say how AI, that is artificial intelligence, and IP is connected. Just a simple example. Suppose by using AI, if new creative thing is developed, then who is the owner of that creativity? Think. A machine which created it, or a person, or a group of a person who developed machine, or who else? The other example, recent case of a car accident by a driverless car, no driver. So against whom the case should be filed? The car maker, or the machine, that is a car, or the group of people who developed this technology, which helped the car to be driverless, or whom? Think over. So because of these two reasons, that is fast paced technology and competitive advantage, and second, complexity of law, we have introduced this overview of future developments in IP domain. With limitation of time, we will just touch base upon these new areas of IP. Just like in earlier module, we have got the glimpses of various types of IP other than patent. Similarly, here we will see the glimpses of future areas, and then from the next module we will focus on patent. Okay? So here we go. Which are these future IP areas organizations are exploring? First, IP audit. Second, IP portfolio and its management. Third, patent informatics, which is also called as patent informatics or patent analytics. Fourth is IP valuation. Fifth is IP and bank loan. Sixth is IP insurance. Seventh is technology transfer. Eighth is IP strategy. Ninth is IP management. And the 10th is patent trolls. There are a few more. However, we will just take a look these 10 areas. Probably you might have heard a few of these words and may be aware about it. Let us start with the first one, IP audit, a most important topic through which you can easily identify potential IP. You have heard